Into the man of the moment, Okatakyie from Ensabons, only TikTokers no abe clash with Ghana software no. Sam George and His Excellency the President on the issue of LGBTQ plus bill na yintimi ensan no. Any the fact say they call would school say enkoda no nko so in school mo no. Every first Ghana software no. Almost one fast one say almost to hono mo de na Sam George ade nti na ontimi enkasa biom. O ma be bo ma adwene me ma nchiri mu akere wadwan me e comment section. Hi Penyah block media. Mess was say ni dem. Obe like video no other was subscribe button no be clarification connect for latest update na be kire wadwan da ma me e comment section. Oba so a no share first anya bia share. Etimi ka kire wo say the issue of LGBTQ plus as a topic for discussion pop up on the internet. It in kind issue in Ghana politics in 2015. Abrana NDC tia kunya so. Ana Ghana for page by say there be how tum lesbian system e course no. Yem pe wansem enka. That time na Sam George Enya Mahama kasamafo. Okwatena Joy News I go can say there be we shouldn't waste time talking about this. There were important issues to discuss. It hadn't say wasted time kasa about gay near the other. But interestingly, Sam George no kind that's about the party e wa bemu John Mahama first term no. Obo party ko fie na ono anabeye they bring behind LGBTQ plus bill. Obeje John Twintwan 2023 e dey go Ghana Parliament e go for the enko sign. And Sam George yehu dede ana e go for the ensign ana wonye say ana on Sam George as sons of God ni Mahama on Sam George as Penyah Mahama ya sons of God as Penyah Mahama say obesign jese na omuro fi say omo no betena kunya so omo ansign but you know what am na yeka emebuzo ni say this issue of LGBTQ no Ghana so for nyina no e dey demonstration tie kufu we be kaya so for Penyah Reverend Lawrence Tete or kindly pay essay I will march to the Jubilee House. Reverend Lawrence Tete on Akufado's failure to sign anti-LGBTQ plus bill no. Let's all believe say that no believe say Akufado be sign gay or be sign mra no. But na fa mra bi anko to Akufado a table so on sign but na end this phenomenon be say ye the bill anko to Akufado table so na on sign. Is that terms of Penyah I no believe say it goes against nyamesom. Okay, so we call Akufado office. Ako busem di ntia Akufado empese obe sign that bill no. What I say? Emma, ye nyina hu ha na Ghana no esi akoye sa George hu dede ye be sign Mahama e promise say obe sign e be busa Mahama e ba kunyo Mahama ewe ne ye no. Out of nowhere LGBTQ plus e ho asem no ayera. It has diminished, it has vanished into the thin air from Ghana. It has vanished. Sa NDC for service sa nkwasiafo na mu ye hu dede in opposition no. And they don't talk about it again. Omo no mu claim say MP for ye tumu for it don't be sign no. Now I was expecting senka Mahama abe no sebe. And come with that same pressure because when they don't know any party asem you are protecting the values of this country the family values and you protecting your party asem. It when I start to say you pushy it can ma be na kan musu pushy but interestingly say no be a politically influenced scheme. Our drafted yeah, just to sabotage the then government. Emma, that's of Penyah Reverend Lawrence Tete, you know. Mahama Erina Kunyama who say one position. Because Mahama appointed, you know, Lawrence Tete appointed to serve on a sale of state lands committee. There's a state lands committee. Mahama Edna Kahubi. When your appointment now on Kasebi. Trumu na Okatakyie for office. Ako busem dey ton person be sign no. And we just want some more. So Penyah can want some Reverend Lawrence Tete on can want some bi. And we say out of nowhere Nanzile ko hu say ye da ko school say ye mofran enkosia because teachers manual I buy 2025. Teachers manual education minister. Honorable Haruna Idris ebe education minister or the man ye for so move on fan kira nkra na de go hwem no. Na LGBTQ e wo mu bi. I say gender hono no gender what should I say? Ye nisanka ye wo ba ni wo be ma but it goes beyond that. We ni there ye wo ba ye obema ana afe wu nipa kro no de wu believe wo adwini mu eni a say ya benya physical gender ana emotional gender enti physical gender na de nipa ni to say oyo oba ana bema ana afe emotional gender na de wu believe say oh me ya bema nipa ni but me believe say me mu no me oba you can go with that Na eno ana with Okatakyie fa mensa bonsu. One TikTokers no. Abe class with Mahama, Sam George, any Ghana so for na Oma Yedi, in fact, Oma Blast will pay.
O se ne kon wonti na yiyi. Monhwa Sam George bio. Hon kwan ne said ye na nanimu sie aye na we ye Sam George we yo. We ye elder. Ewo aye Reverend Jenasare asori. Sam George ye elder. But we try throw politics into a one minute home. The question we are asking today, Sam George ye to abawi all of a sudden the energy anu ode ko LGBT yampene yankola anu ye be say hwem energy nasa hoodwinked all of us about what time all of us we thought that it was for a genuine cause they were fighting for a year LGBTs and some we didn't want a year all of a sudden ye to abawi ye fine now senka a year enonko a akanya ya NaCCA yɛda sɔre yi a yɛsi efrɛ bibi teacher manual ne yɛde teacher manual ne yɛsɛ yɛde curriculum akɔma ɛyɛ a teacher for sɛ ɔmo fa nkyerɛ adeɛ no ɛsi ɛma wɔn manual akɔyɛ sɛ wakoto TV how to set up so yɛde curriculum na brɛw na ebom no part of the curriculum no ɛsi ɛma wɔn manual a wɔde bɛkyerɛ adeɛ so 2025 physical education and health ɛyɛ elective teacher manual ye ma teacher for no. Ironically, the apostles of LGBT anti-LGBT campaign omo bemu na you see say urefi ohu a da bia be yemfonso saban we ya na John Mahama one Andrew Solomon koda ampaso. So if John Mahama on a second term eka kyerɛ sɛ ɔbɛko atia galams LGBT were you really expecting that oba fighting against LGBT woyɛ normal John Mahama wotimi president wotimi ne bɛrima kɔda mpa so president o reduce your governance to that level say bɛrima ɛne wo bɛrima ɛda mpa so when he was the president on Andrew Solomon kodam and you actually thought that saa nipa no sɛ nya another opportunity a ɔbɛsa aba. So, yan sorry, teacher manual no se ready if it's very clear. Teacher manual no. Omodi ashe eye asiye tieniye. Teacher manual no say now there is a different definition, gender identity and internal experience. Tieniye. Recognition of non-binary identities. Eti say ye ka say gender identity eye oba ne be ma no. Ene John Mahama ban mu. Teacher manual ye de ama eye enkola no so omo nkosua de no. Mo ready ba bia ya circle ne blue no a. Oso omo de omo nyintum, ma teacher fo ne nyintum say eye oba ne be ma ana eye the only gender. Muti asem yo. Me hu ye ke ka say gender. Gender de eye either male or female. Eti Church of Christ ni anka wa ban mu de and yamatan times we thought that we would not probably see some. Nemom yada sorry here. Gender na ye define no. Or say it refers to a person's deeply felt internal experience of gender, which may or may not correspond with his sex assigned at birth. Ye de be kire ye mano e mema ni you. Ye de be kire ye nkola no. Ye say teacher for say first no, ye ka say gender nke ye male and female. Nemum apostles of anti-LGBT and they under their governance. Wamo say yanka say do gender. It refers to a person's deeply felt internal experience of gender, which may or may not correspond with the sex assigned at birth. It can include being male, female, or a blend of both. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. John Mahama abmemuo no the omode kire ye ma no or say this concept goes beyond the binary notion of gender, that is male and female, and recognizes the diversity of gender experience and expressions. These were not accidental inclusions. Haruna Idrusu and set up NaCCA. Don't forget, during Professor Jenano Poku Ajima time, and a UNESCO for issue, UNESCO for program be omoye so omoye. And what na sa agenda and same way shall see by now a baby drew here. So MPP for it started with John Mahama under Professor Jenano Poku Ajima, no your vice president. And then almost see a new say, Yakase a gender, and your male and female be. Nemono a male, female, and any other description as nipa ni fili. Haruna Idrusu. Who authorized this definition? When authorized it? When authorized it, was it Parliament? Was Parliament informed? They say ye changing one idea. PTA, Parents and Teachers Association. Mama phone and papa phone. Timunim say the idea we ya share. Mo you say mo man say o mo besua say oye oba na mo fili so ye kwadwo oye be ma fili so ye kwadwo besia ampa ye gender. Afe yeti wo mo to e sha say you so we have recalled NaCCA say we recall it. Now not only should NaCCA recall Nyomana. We are calling for Professor Samuel Ofori Bekoin, said President in Sakeno. If indeed the president does not support this nonsense of LGBT, then Professor Samuel Ofori Bekoin should be sacked. Other than that, apostles of a year, Ntrumu, and then Mwamemuono, Ntrumu, Mwamemuono Mubu. Jenny. Apostles of anti-intrumu and intrumu amemu ana womubu na yentie enchiremua NaCCA president no edibai.
Need that assistance to be able to implement the curriculum effectively. There's the need for those who develop the curriculum also to do a kind of a guide that will guide the teachers in how to go about implementing the curriculum. And so this particular manual was developed for the physical education and health elective program for SHS Year 2. And although it was developed in 2024, they were releasing the manuals as and when the MS were ready to enter a particular year. So 2025 was the year for that 2025-2026 academic year was when the new the students who were doing the new program entered Year 2. So that was when the manual was released.
Yeah, that's it. It's NaCCA president to say, yeah, the 2024, it will buy in one shum, yaman oversight responsibility, Juma. Say one woman yamran chen maba wano. Wamunshian your papa, which corresponds with a social cultural practices. Almost over the Debbie, he say no Ghana for, Aso for, Munina Maidi. Sana Kufa to buy in the first year, second year, Munina Muye Diniaka. A drew baby a moon say a yak or ditch, and Amusha say bekan. Now, John Diensu, you will be a woman, your money baby. Yaka, Aso for Yinaidi. Reverend Genocide Wayedi. A papa and a minimum Okatakyie or a sphincter, Duncan Williams, Wayedi. And they try a man who said, Trumu, ya acceptable, be uncan wasm. I saw for be uncan wasm. And yet, ya, Nigeria's mood did say tam. It is for Nina, and some Hunun concert, and some Hunun concert. When I say, Mini or Boffomo, Mosha, Siena Mokabi, Muntimi Kabi, Ube Jinawa and I, Ubia didn't Savaka Mahamebia, Ubia didn't Savaka Mahamebia, or Boffo. When the idea shut Yadiumusi and Kolan Kushia, says they say, you knew about any Bema, you will buy your Bema, and what the Akolan were feeling. If you do business oversee a training trade you are money or buy Emma Kwamani. Ubia Swan Casa. Ubia Swan Casa. I was it, please try. Alas and Musa say, please try and okay, dear Evans, please try and translate it into tree. Ninja said, John Mahama says, you're begging to move more Cherem Colano. And your friend be a year indoctrination, 10 year. Now, subversion. if you want to destroy a society, you don't need to the only thing you have to do is to miseducate a generation of that society. And that generation of that society will one day come and miseducate the rest. And that will be the end of the case. It makachira say, sa conscientization of yankola, say omo suen trumu, it we the enti omo di ahyem say. And then menu mienu, yenti aye bon trumu so a, na ye ho eye tan eye hini say. Yen nyina yeba no. We were taught to hate it. Tienye. Now broni ni munyansenti. Ono ma meko. Sa dede na moye no. Ye yan so be change mo curriculum, educational curriculum. Ode be fa eye etibon kosofo a yabo mo paase, wo mo emmuman. Na yesesa no na akola ye ko kire ni so we free na de ko akola wadi 12, wadi 13 ye free na de ko ye free bi gender. Nemom gender ni enye male and female. Nemom no it recognizes diversity of gender. It is a who feel kojo besi no see agenda. A time will come sa ankola ye omusua saade no. Omo ne ba be members of parliament. Omo ne ba be shemra. Sa bere ni duru oni ye ntumu ade no ba beto a. Enye omo time because omusua ne ye kire wo mo. So dede na amoye no. John Mahama ban e kire ye nkola ne se ntumu nyahwe. In the next 10, 20, 15 to 30 years, there is no way as ankola ne be ye omo time. Eti said ya omoma ya to ya bosum nyina guye no man fetuo ni ajan. It was just to indoctrinate you, subversion. They needed to miseducate you for a while. And one kasa obeko fie na no ma me ma obeko eti bedu be nkola omusua sansem hunu yi omoma sori na omma me no akose ntumu so ye den. If say up until 1960 year in Britain, now uye tumu ye chewa yekum tienie ye do to jail. And I'm see a ma kwama nkola ni suasua eye saa nneoma we nyina and Britain ntumu ye normal conversation with them. Saa ne yasua makwan mo de saa nneoma we hihye ye curriculum mu e de kire nkola na de a ene obabusa so eye de enya hwe. But omo de kire nkola na de a time will come that saa nkola no ane ba benyini. Na omo nyina omo de ba be hyemra. Saa nkola no ene ya makwan ma ubie eye movies a. Almost every movie Sam George any tiri koto se jemu aboa. Every movie in Ghana, say ne obehwa when yakora benya 1 or 2 gay scenes wom. Yenkola no so ye ne omo na ehwe. Ene cartoons nyina yenkola ne omo na ehwe. Cartoons nyina the gay scenes a him. Enso John Mahama so fight because on sign. What the papa we? Would you omudi at your own peril? Ti de meka yi. Me say uje John Mahama ban di at your own peril. President Otimi ene Andrew Solomon Koda and Paso. Such a demeaning posture of a certain president of a nation. Now Otimi ne Bema Fufro Koda and Paso mi etwa the picture. Such a character and mujidi se and Penyah wasisa. It's just a matter of time. Give time, some time, and people will see it. Sam George I na fusa I wana manu akunko nti say ayi Lufthansa e ba betu. Owie nya to me wie. Once we can get once a meal. Said they no si kwa up and down near sofo yempene. Once we nya to me wie you obey minister. Once we can get once a meal. Na kioneta by Miss Munyina money it will come. Ma worry, ma bia how.
Catch me say ndisi for me ya zan. Party omo mpanyifo no mo nwen Ghana ho moye demonstration for the government about LGBTQ plus. Look at mo education minister Mahama de nam pipeline mu eba omo pass it abe ono pipeline omo me pass in public ye de be dua enkora ne tirim enkora na ye tete omo school mu ne be dua omo tirim akwan be yina na be normal thing to him or her on the abano almost say omo define gender say ye wo na wo your ba na se bi ukura akosie kuma and say ukura bolobola and then define say your gender. You can consider yourself or you like yourself differently. Say me tia me be me ma afrem mo say me koku besia me tuma afrem mo say me koku besia wo your ba wo tuma afrem mo say wo kojo besia on your man NDC for a diabon beso mu dia ɛwɔ nkora no mu na te sɛ edu baabi a 5 years to come 6 years to come akwa no free SS free SHS free JHS na ye ka LGBT ka ohun say was in school me normal thing on the omo ye yem for bill bia enko to parliament bia en pass you yem for bill bia enko to parliament en pass but the ebe ye ni ye de begu pipeline mu ye like be dua nkura ne tiri mu say ade ni say na tie ye wo be ma ne say ye be ma the NDC for plan on my plan and that one mu really be and that one mu really ye come like you be need to tie for omo di NDC party front tantanta party front tantanta front kan omo work leaders na some George quite be minister na Ghana han for some George it be minister some George it be minister or MTN for using it for adverts DSTV for using it for adverts. Now this what we on my be and kasama ya pound kwada you want us in China. Ye de hunu FA as if say you are fighting for Ghana. Now all fighting for wafu. All fighting arrogant. Wafu no nam draw ni so mu chichichi na onam Ghana asi. Onu chichichi na nam Ghana asi. Na LGBTQ plus no kwasa so kan bufu no nti akwa no sori akwa no nyina sa ade o mu dua won kwa ne tiremu onyino no obeso owale dua obeso owale kraman kra chile sai because like ya chile no school say enye bone bia na mi so ayesu region Samora a chi bi sa adona mo pese mo dan ne o masa me se mo ye be pron sam ma ye de tene criticism say like ye bia ye pese bibi nsia criticize mo pese ye tene mo mani na ho aman fon tantan sei aban fon tantan kan fon bon
ebusiafo me cheche mo nyina just a quick question though. Honorable Sam George o Ghana na so watu kwan hey asem we kosi MPP breso a na kampo hu ne jatabeye owo hefa na asem si na chi sa no monka nje se onya miss call why abrochire ha ye we me kai me ma no omudu stage bia na ebe chom sex education. Even the video that they were going to show it in the classroom no, they called us the parents ye mehwe bi Niyama consent ni say if we are happy for them to show them now. And tika we de Nicodemus lina na nkom da ko remo ni ye kire nkwala no. Ye nkire a omu mponi o. Nyame hu ye mobo Ghana for. Here you come on my platform and give me constructive criticism. You are welcome. Madam Ase.
Elective for senior high school teacher manual year 2. The most interesting aspect is that they give a definition to gender. And the definition to gender, it refers to a person's deeply felt internal experience of gender, which may or may not correspond with the sex assigned at birth. It can include being male, female, or a blend of both. This concept goes beyond the binary notion of gender, male and female, and recognizes the diversity of gender experiences and expressions. The Edikan Wadarama, do you recognize Adewe Abetomo table so physical education and health elective, Ministry of Education?
Good afternoon, and meet here waiting for you now. I'm gonna pay the work production team would frame would draw my attention to documenting. Offer the brand, my make your minimum mantia see intention na me frame officers, deputy director general in charge of technical services.
The NDC used this LGBTQ to campaign in the 2024 elections, even to the extent of accusing the NPP that we want to oust Okatakyie in order to have majority in parliament, in order to pass the LGBTQ to make it legal in Ghana here. But today, when they came to power, they are reluctant to sending that bill back to Parliament for it to be done and sent to the President for him to assent to it. As if that is not enough. Yesterday, it came out that they've now snaked that LGBTQ into our curriculum. What are they trying to teach our kids? But what I ask is, where are our imams? Where are our pastors who were so vocal about this during NPP era? Where are they all quiet now? These are some of the reasons that people say that on Judgment Day, religious leaders are the ones who are going to be the majority in hellfire, because they've led a lot of people astray due to some of the things they say and some of their actions. Ghanaians, now you see the kind of party that you voted for. Don't fall for this kind of lies the next time.
Yo, minianum kukuru do a rado speaking, rado talking. If I was a book, woman's mommy, now share this video for me. Share this video for me. Can send me many abre. Many abre. If I was supposed to say, pa, na me was some many abre, who's one abre. Now, won't say the entire many abre no. Some okay say a coup for the pencil. Some okay say a coup for the pencil. Lesbian, Obana. Beman na yedi beto wase Akufo-Addo on sign it. Akufo-Addo say on sign it da. Akufo-Addo on sign it da. One sign it baby ada. Samukai say Akufo-Addo on sign it side way. And na NDC pay what we. Omaji atum. Teachers no handbook no. Teachers handbook no. Omo dia be hyem se SS fo nkwala no. Say ye ba be kire wo mo. Gender identity. Ye be ba che wo your bema na so okuta bema na so onipadua mu yo te se oba ai wotimi ko ekoye wo ho oba a wo ye bema. Gender identity. Teachers na handbook no omo di ahyem se SS oba wo SS dia oba na oba betimi ni oba bibi bema ni bema betimi bibi enso sa de we Akufo-Addo aban anje antomu da. Mo kai se Akufo-Addo aban wanje antom. Akufo-Addo aban anje antom da. Yeti krom ha na ehu sa papa bi ne fa de sen. Sam George. See. Se wono tena so pa na sa de we koso organ de on tiasie da. Mo kai awo koye you say one tiasie na se ono so one tiasie Akufo-Addo anya se ya adenti na mo pan so de masan ni. Maji atum. Mama teachers no handbook no omo de asem some from ko church effort for there na ye man na ya wo mu na aha sei Ghana ye na mi suro pro pa na Ghana asofo na mo ye nya achim no mo wa hifa asofo na mo se mo de oba na mo so no mo wa hifa emema na no tumu no mo se mo so mo wa hifa na de we de ye de kwahye nkwala de book no. Gender identity. So we are bema na say we are on say ya kaja besi ya e waso da no ba. Hey! E waifa. Hey! Ghana for. Say die. Aha da ni dey. Solomon Gomorrah wo. Say die eja to ha say bam. Say uba wo SS dia. Kan hu say oba besua oba no oba na. Bema na. Say the teacher for nankasa de say omo de ahyem ankasa. Omo de ahyem. Medama say MPP ye beba se kakai ye radwombodu nti ye beba me say aboa bi anka dem ye beba ye radwombodu de ye beba our incoming national chairman or the ye beden or the ye beba bebe twa sa de wem ye beba betwitwa mu say tinten tayen so Ghana. Yes, so for mu when you so for mu when you fa. Na yes so. Aden. Thank you.
To the wage mame e wo comment section. I Penyah block me there.